Good evening, guys. This is Genius Guide tutorial. My name is Lesson. This is continuation of 2023 to 2024 waec mathematics theory questions. Now I have this is continuation, which is this is number 2A. Now number 2A says that in a football match the ticket for children and adults were sold at what $3 and $5 respectively. Now if 400 people attended the football match and the $1,700 was collected in ticket sales. Now how many tickets were sold to adults? Now solution. What do you say? You say what? Let the number of children be x and let the number of adults be what? Y. Now therefore the sum of adult and the sum of children and adult is what? 400, which is this, which is here. If 400 people attended the football match, so that becomes the sum of children and adult is 400. And now I call this question what? 1. Again, now therefore tickets sold to children at what? $3 is equals what? 3 times, since children is x, 3 times x, which is 3x, and tickets sold to adult at $5 is 5 times y, which since adult is y, so 5 times y is 5y. Now therefore it becomes summing it becomes what? That is the total dollars, which is what? $1,700 is. So that becomes 3x plus 5y is equals to $1,700. According to this equation what? 2. Now therefore bringing the two equations what together, that becomes x plus y is equals to 400, equation 1, and 3x plus 5y is equals to 1,700, equation 1, 2. Therefore using Cramer's law of matrix, now I have that 1 x is 1, 3x is 3, y is 1, and 5y is 5 is equal to 400 and 1,700. Now therefore to find x is put this in x what columns, which is what? 400, 1,700, then 1 5. What do you do? This minus this, so that is 400 times 5 minus 1 times 1,700, so that will give you, this times will give you 2,000, minus 1 times will give you this. Now 2,000 minus this will give you what? 300. Again now therefore to find y is what? Put this in y column, that is 1 3 400 1,700. So what do you do? This minus this, so 1 times 1,700 will give you what? 1,700, minus 3 times 400 will give you 1,200. Therefore this minus this will give you what? 500. Therefore after doing that, what do? You find the determinant of this matrix, of this number. So that is what determinant becomes. We have what? We have 1 3 and 1 5. So that is this minus this. 1 times 5 minus what? 1 times 2, so which is 1 times 5 is 5, minus 1 times 3 is 3, so 5 minus 3 is 2. Now therefore x is equals to what? X is equals to 300, abi? So where x is 300 over your determinant, and your determinant is what? Is 2, so that x is 300 over 2, that will give you 1,500 is 150, and y is, the answer for y is 500, right? So that they become 500 over your determinant, and determinant is 2, so that become 500 divided by 2 give you 250. Now therefore x is 150 tickets and y is 250 what? Ticket. Now therefore the number of tickets for adult is what? 250, which is this. Then you ask for how many tickets we are sold to adult. That is adult is y. From here let adult be y. So the number of tickets sold for adult is 250 what? Tickets. Now this is gone. Now question under the same question on number 2 be under the same question. Now they say that Mr. Sonko sold 250 tickets. If 175 of tickets were for adults, now how many sales did he make altogether? They say that Mr. Sonko sold 250 tickets. If 175 of the tickets were for adults, now how many sales did he make altogether? Therefore solutions, we say that now the total tickets sold by Mr. Sonko is 250 tickets, right? And number of tickets for adult is 175, right? So therefore now the number of tickets for children is what? Is the total ticket minus what? At the adult ticket, which is 250 minus 175, which will give you what? 75 for tickets. Now therefore recall that the number of tickets sold for children is $3. That is here. That is the number of ticket for children and adults. For children is what, $3. So if you check here, so that becomes, because that the number of tickets sold for children is what, $3, which is what, 3 times x. If you check here, x is for what, x is for what, children. So that becomes what, so that becomes 3 times x will give you what, 3x, so which is equal to 3 times, and my x is what, here is what, that is x is children, so that becomes 75. So 3 times 75 will give you what, 225. Also record that the number of tickets sold for adults is what, is $5, which is here, which is what, $5 for what, adults, $5. And what again, and they say that, so now that becomes what, 5 times y. If you check here, y is what, let the number of adults be what, y, so y represent adults, so that becomes 5 times y, which is equal to 5 times y is what, 175. Adult ticket is 175, so that becomes what, 5 times 175 is what, 875. Now therefore the total sales made by Mr. Sonko is adult plus what, children, so which is what, my adult is 875 plus, and my children is what, 225. So if you add this thing together, so that will give you $1,100. That is all. So guys, if you find this video interesting and helpful, please guys do like and subscribe. Thank you. And also if you have any questions, please drop a question in the comment section. Thank you.